Hi, I'm Eri. Welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do these coasters. So these are very cute, and despite of how it looks, it's actually pretty easy to make, and especially it's a good project for beginners. Okay, and a very quick project that you can make for your perfect last hour gift. So before we proceed, I would like to show you the yarns that I'll be using in this video tutorial. So these are worsted weight 100% cotton yarn that I'm going to work with 4.50mm crochet hook. So why I'm choosing cotton yarn is because they are durable to heat, perfect for coaster, and easy to wash, where you can just throw them inside the washing machine without having to worry about damaging your project. And I think the colors are very cute, so I'm going to use two colors here, pink and purple. So let's get started. Alright, I'll start with a slip knot. You can do your slip knot as however you're comfortable with, and we continue chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we'll join these chains to form a ring by inserting the hook on the first chain with a slip stitch. And what we need there is this loop. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so let's continue with chain 2. 1, 2. And since we are doing cluster double crochet, so we are making clusters out of 3 double crochet in each round. So another double crochet, and now we have 2 loops, another double crochet. So there are 4 loops here. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and pull them all through the loops. So this is our first cluster, chain 1 and chain 2. So now we have about 5 more petals to go, so we'll be doing another 5 more clusters. First double crochet. Okay, we have 2 loops. Second double crochet, pull the yarn through 2 loops. We have 3 loops here, and third double crochet, pull through the first 2 loops and then pull through all the loops. Chain 1, chain 2. So we have 2 clusters. So we continue doing the same step, okay, until we have all 6 petals. Second double crochet, third double crochet, chain 1, chain 2. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and pull the yarn through all the loops. Alright, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 more to go, and I'll be seeing you in the next step. Okay guys, I'm done with my 6 clusters, and we're going to move to the next round. So before we go to the next round, we do a slip stitch here to form the circle on the first cluster. And since we're going to make the clusters through the chain 2 space, so we have to do another slip stitch here. Now we're going to make another 12 more petals on this round. So chain 2, second double crochet, third double crochet, and our first cluster, chain 1, chain 2. Alright, now the next clusters we continue doing in the same chain 2 space. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. So we have our second cluster. So what we're going to do here is we do 2 clusters in each chain 2 space. So as total we'll have 12 petals. Chain 2. Alright, so I'll be seeing you in the next step. So we're just going to continue doing this till the end of the round. Okay guys, I'm done with my second round, and we have 12 petals here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So for the next round we're making 18 petals, and then we will continue with edging. So now let's do the slip stitch first. Alright, and since we are working inside the chain 2 space, so we do another slip stitch here. Okay, now the first 2 clusters. Second cluster in the same chain 2 space. Second double crochet, third double crochet, chain 1, chain 2. Right, so between these 2 clusters we have another chain 2 space here. So what we do here is we add 1 cluster here. Chain 2. Alright, now the next chain 2 space for 2 clusters. And we meet again the chain 2 space between these 2 clusters, so we put 1 cluster here. Alright, so here as you can see the pattern goes like 2 clusters, 1 cluster, 2 clusters, 1 cluster, and then 2 clusters, 1 cluster, and we continue doing this. We repeat the same step until the end of the round. Alright, now I'm at the end of the round, so we're now going to do the edging. So we'll just slip stitch here, and I'm going to do the edging through all the chain 2 space with this purple color yarn. So let's change the color. Alright, okay, so insert the hook through the chain 2 space, the next chain 2 space, and instead of the pink color you pull the purple yarn color through the loops. Pull the yarn a bit to make it a bit tight there, and chain 3. Alright, and then hold the 2 strands here, okay, and make the double crochet 1, 2, and 3. So basically what we are doing here is that we will just do 3 chain plus 3 double crochet in each chain 2 space. And now you can cut off the pink yarn. We're not going to need this again. Alright, so in the next chain 2 space, slip stitch, chain 3, 1 2 3, and make 3 double crochets. Two, 3. Okay, and again slip stitch, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. So we just repeat the step till the end of the round. So here are our edging. So it looks really nice and pretty, and especially it looks very cute to my eyes. And so this is why I really liked making this pattern. It looks so flowery. So we just continue finishing this coaster, and let's see how it turns out. 2 3 4, and we have another 2 more to go. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, and then we're at the end of the round. Two, 3 4. All right, so let's do the closure here. So what I'm just going to do is I will just do a slip stitch through this at this bottom of the first cluster. Okay, and then turn around this work and do another second chain 1, and just pull the yarn a little bit tight. Just cut it off. Okay, so let's tie a little bit here, so the yarn won't easily rip. Okay, I'll just do like 3 times, and that is perfect. Alright, okay, so let's cut the extra tail. So here we go. Oops, yeah, forgot about this one. This is where we do the change color just now. Okay, I'm just going to pull it through all these loops. And you can just do like however you like, doesn't matter actually. So I'm just going to pull another one here and then tie it. Alright, there you go, and cut. Okay, so here is our coaster, and it looks very pretty with pink and purple. Oh, I'm just loving it. So let's see. Right, they are almost at the same size. Okay, this one actually I'm using Milano cotton, 100% cotton yarn, and this is 100 cotton yarn. Alright, so I hope you'll be having fun making more of these coasters, and thank you again for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. Until we meet again, and see you again next time. Have a nice day.